Welcome everyone to today's panel discussion on critical thinking and problem solving, developing skills to analyze information and make informed decisions. I'm Mr. Du, your moderator for this session. We have an esteemed panel of experts who will share their insights on the importance of critical thinking in our lives. Let's meet our panelists. Dr. Robert, an educator specializing in critical thinking methodologies in the classroom. MS. Nina, a corporate trainer focused on problem-solving strategies in the business environment. Emma. Jason, a psychologist who studies decision-making processes and cognitive biases. MS. Lila, a technology analyst who emphasizes the impact of digital information on critical thinking. Dr. Sandra, a researcher in educational psychology and the development of critical thinking skills in youth. Let's dive right into our discussion. I'd like each panelist to share their perspective on why critical thinking and problem-solving skills are essential in today's world. Dr. Robert, would you like to start us off?
Certainly, Mr. Du. Critical thinking and problem-solving are foundational skills in education and beyond. They empower individuals to analyze information critically, assess different viewpoints, and make informed decisions. In an age flooded with information, these skills help students distinguish between credible sources and misinformation, fostering independent thought and responsible citizenship.
Thank you, Dr. Robert. Ms. Nina, how do you see these skills translating into the corporate world?
Great question. In the business environment, critical thinking and problem solving are invaluable. Employees who can analyze complex situations, identify potential solutions, and anticipate outcomes are essential for innovation and effective decision-making. These skills lead to better team collaboration and can significantly impact a company's success in navigating challenges.
Absolutely. Mr. Jason, could you shed some light on the psychological aspects of decision-making?
Of course. Decision-making is often influenced by cognitive biases and emotional factors. Critical thinking allows individuals to recognize these biases and approach problems more rationally. By developing these skills, people can enhance their ability to make sound decisions, whether in personal life or professional settings, ultimately leading to more favorable outcomes.
Interesting insights. Ms. Lila, in today's digital age, how does technology impact our critical thinking abilities?
Technology has transformed the way we access and process information. While it provides vast resources, it also presents challenges, such as information overload and the spread of misinformation. To navigate this landscape effectively, individuals must develop critical thinking skills to evaluate sources, discern biases, and make informed decisions based on accurate information.
Well said. Dr. Sandra, as an expert in educational psychology, what strategies can be implemented to foster critical thinking skills in students?
There are several effective strategies. Encouraging inquiry-based learning, promoting open discussions, and presenting real-world problems for students to solve can significantly enhance critical thinking. Additionally, teaching students to ask probing questions and evaluate evidence helps them develop a habit of critical analysis, which is crucial for their future success.
Thank you for those practical suggestions. Now, let's open the floor to questions from the audience.
What role does collaboration play in developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills?
Collaboration is vital. Working in teams allows individuals to share diverse perspectives, challenge assumptions, and refine their ideas. This collective approach not only enhances critical thinking but also fosters creativity and problem-solving as team members can build on each other's strengths.
How can parents support their children in developing these skills at home?
Parents can encourage critical thinking by asking open-ended questions, promoting discussions about current events, and involving children in decision-making processes at home. Activities like puzzles, games, and debates can also stimulate analytical thinking and problem-solving abilities.
Thank you for those insightful questions. As we approach the end of our discussion, I'd like to ask each panelist for a final thought on the future of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Thank you all for joining us today and for your valuable insights. Let's continue to advocate for critical thinking and problem solving as essential skills for navigating our complex world. Have a great day, everyone.